Hope you know there's an AI tool known as chat-gpt, and if you don't know about it, then definitely you are living under a rock. What it can do is it can easily write a rap for you, build a resume, help you with your emails, do your homework, even it can clear an MBA exam, provide you with different recipes, suggest you gifts, become your lawyer, help you to get a job. Even it can find bugs in code and explain the error, eventually transforming all of our lives completely. This bot became so popular that it is putting the giant search engine Google at risk. And just in 5 days, it scores 1 million active users using it on a daily basis. So if you haven't heard about ChatGPT, then it's the high time now. And we are here to clear all your doubts and give you in-depth knowledge about it. First thing first, the word ChatGPT is formed by combining two different words, chat and GPT, where GPT stands for generative, pre-trained transformer. And the word chat is defining all the answers to your problem in a so easy way that is just by simply giving you all the answers directly on the chat. ChatGPT platform is developed by a popular research lab called OpenAI, released to the public on November 30, 2022. OpenAI lab is famous for developing and working on projects to engage with artificial intelligence bots. So in a nutshell, you are directly interacting to robots. But these robots are not the regular ones. They will reply you with answers the same like we humans do. The bot is an autoregressive language model that uses deep learning and machine learning techniques such as supervised and reinforcement. These algorithms are playing a major role in the overall development of this chatbot. In addition, if you want to check out what machine learning is, different types of machine learning, and much more, then you can check out our video. The link is given in the description. Generative AI like ChatGPT is becoming so popular that so many active ventures capital firms are investing in it. The figure says that in 2025, 30% of all the messages like emails, queries will be given by bots, which was only 2% in the last year. Additionally, according to some recent news sources, 90% of the films will be generated directly by using AI in 2030. Currently, the figures are resting at 0. Even recently, there is a piece of news where ChatGPT took an MBA exam at the Wharton School of Business. And you know what grade it got? A B. That's better than what the majority of students can score. So this technology is definitely going to bring up a revolutionary change. With this, let's clear all your doubts and first you are currently facing about ChatGPT. And even will tell you how it can be of practical use for you or for your organization with some real-life uses of ChatGPT. It has several day-to-day uses, so let's proceed further and know how you can use it. Firstly, you need to be 18 or above and have to sign up for an OpenAI account. The sign-up procedure is not too difficult. Here's how you can do it. Step 1 is to go to the OpenAI site and simply click on the Try GPT button. You will find it at the top of the official website. After that, you will get a pop-up asking you to log in or sign up. So if you do not already have an OpenAI account, sign up using your email address and mobile number. Now once you are in, you will be shown a few standard disclaimers that include a notice that AI trainers may review your interaction with ChatGPT to evaluate the system performance. Now in step 3, you can finally start using ChatGPT. You'll find the message box towards the bottom of the page to begin a conversation. Now let's move on and see how you can use ChatGPT. The first thing is you can quickly create a good and a professional resume for yourself easily. If you're someone searching for a job, then ChatGPT is one of the easiest and the fastest way to make your resume online. It will help you to relieve the burden of customizing each and every section. What you need to do is just go to the message box directly and type "Write a resume" on the specific designation you want to create your resume on. Here, suppose you are applying as a data scientist. So you just need to write a resume on data scientist. The chatbot will start making a professional resume for you with all the required fields like skills, education, work experience, etc. Moving on to the second use, which is about creating some good jokes to impress your friends by using ChatGPT. Have you ever thought that AI chatbots will ever be able to create good jokes related to real life? No, right? But ChatGPT is showing some real potential. You can literally create some good catchy jokes within seconds. Now just suppose you got stuck on a topic, but now you have ChatGPT with you. As sometimes searching about a specific topic on the internet doesn't give you a clear understanding. But here, ChatGPT will help you to understand topics given by in layman terms, so that you can get a clear understanding of what a particular topic is about. Suppose you want to know about artificial intelligence. So simply just write, I want to understand artificial intelligence. It will give you an answer in a very simple language. Now moving on to the next uses, you can quickly solve mathematics problems easily with step-by-step explanation. Yes, if you are someone looking for a way to tackle those complicated algebraic problems, then ChatGPT will definitely give you the best results, as it can easily handle those mathematical equations and give you the results in just some seconds. Suppose we want to solve this equation, 2x plus y whole square. So just simply type solve and then this equation. So just simply type and solve this equation and it will give you the solution instantly. Now moving on to the next interesting thing is, you can easily write music in almost any genre. This is one of the ChatGPT's greatest strengths. Unlike other AI bots, ChatGPT is so creative while generating music that you can literally give any word to ChatGPT and it will write a rap or a song on it. Now moving on to the next uses for programmers or even for a newbie entering to the programming world. So if you always encounter bugs in your code from time to time, then ChatGPT will definitely help you to narrow down the problems within your codes, which will eventually save up a lot of time. Suppose here I'm going to make some mistakes in the code of the hello world. The bot will come up with a solution explaining to you how to correct it. So these were some of the cool and popular uses of ChatGPT. But everything has its own set of limitations, right? The same goes for ChatGPT too. The chatbot is programmed in such a way that it will not provide toxic or harmful responses. The AI will avoid all these types of questions. Moving on to the another limitation is that it will not always give you the correct answers, as it is trained in such a way to provide answers that feel right to humans. The answers can trick humans that the output is correct. So with all these uses and limitations, the main questions we get in our minds is that will these AI bots will ever going to replace the search engine or Google? Given how these languages models can easily answer so many questions, queries, etc. And companies like OpenAI, Google or Microsoft would may be able to replace these traditional search engines with AI chatbots one day. So at last, we just want to say that this chatbot packs some serious capabilities. However, the technology is still in the early phase of development. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Subscribe to Fingertips for more trending and informative content like this. Till then, happy learning.